everyone, this is Yashvi Punya, your host from Kaliru Lux. Look at this view and look at this car. We are in Jaisalmer with the all-new Mini Cooper Convertible S. This car is pure style. This car is for people who love life and love driving. But is it just a cute face? Let's get into the real talk.
I bet on myself. Yeah, I bet on myself.
Yeah, I bet on myself. Yeah, I bet on myself. I don't need you, I do it myself. Yeah, I bet on myself.
Yeah, I bet on myself. Yeah.
It still looks like a Mini, but they have cleaned it up. The body is smooth and clean, not fussy. It's grown a bit longer, actually around 3.8 meters long, so it's still small and easy to park. In India, this car will be available in favored pack with 4 vivid exterior colors with Sunnyside yellow, ocean wave green, red chili and British racing green, and you get 18-inch alloys. So my feedback is the design hasn't changed dramatically from the last generation, so it might disappoint those looking for complete visual shock, but it still keeps the Mini look that everyone loves. Inside is the biggest change. They threw out the traditional screen behind the wheel and put everything into this one giant beautiful circle. This is Mini's circular interaction unit measuring 240mm. It runs on Mini OS 9 and naturally you get wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The outer ring shows you the speed and car data. After that, here you get personal assistant, that is Mini's intelligent personal assistant. You can give voice command regarding navigation, media or ambient lighting, but it will only happen if you'll connect your phone to the car. After that, you have AC controls here, navigation, media. Then at home, you'll get all of these: Mini ID, connected store, and then you have always open timer here. So open timer is about how many hours or minutes or days you have driven when your roof was open. Below your OLED screen, you have your toggle bar, which I absolutely love. From here, you can change the volume. Here you have experiences, which are basically your drive modes. Then you can start the engine from here. You can shift your gear from here. This is your parking and basically your little setup here. This screen is your whole car's mood ring. You have 7 experience mode from core to the go-kart mode for the fun and the efficient green mode. So with the push of a button, you can change your modes here. Even with central screen, you have retractable heads-up display, so you can customize it for height, rotation and brightness. For safety, you have front collision warning, lane departure warning, attentiveness assistant, speed warning, and you have reverse assistant as well. And because you will be blasting music, so the Harman Kardon Hi-Fi surround system is here with 12 speakers and 365 watts surround performance. The seats itself are sports seats in Westkin, but remember, it's not leather, it's high-tech sustainable upholstery. And you get 2D knit dashboard in beige and grey. In the center console, you have wireless charger here, 2 cup holders and this cool storage box here. Then 2 USB ports and 12-volt power socket. So my feedback about the interior is that having all your data in the center screen looks amazing, but for some drivers, having all the data here might be distracting. So thanks to the retractable head-up display, we have key info in the side. So going to the back seat is super easy. You pull it from here and fold it. Seat will go in front. And now you have enough space to go at the back seat. I feel too cramped up here. Probably 2 kids can sit here easily. Other than that, you get 2 cup holders and a bit of storage here and adjustable headrest. Let's talk practicality because this car is tiny. First of all, I'll tell you how to open the tailgate. So you press the button here and open it. After that, you can extend the space from here can even fix it like this, so it holds up to 215 liters of boot space with the roof closed, and when you open the roof you have 160 liters of boot space. And one more cool thing, this latch can hold maximum 80 kgs of weight, so you can sit here as well. So finally we are going to drive this car, but before that let's open the soft top. I'll press the button here and it takes 18 seconds to open the soft top. Now wait. It also converts into a sunroof as well, and then you can open it fully also. And one more cool thing, you can open it while driving at up to the speed of 30 km per hour. So now let's go for a drive.
Yeah, I bet on myself. Yeah, I bet on myself. I don't need you, I do it myself. Yeah, I bet on myself.
So finally we are driving this car. We are in Jaisalmer and it's winters and we have really smooth roads here. So I am really liking the drive. In this car, you get 4-cylinder, 2-liter twin-power turbo petrol, pushing out 204 HP and 300 Nm of torque. We are also going to test 0 to 100, so the claimed time for 0 to 100 km per hour is 6.9 seconds. So the sports steering wheel and chassis are designed for that pure go-kart feeling. So the sharp steering can feel too sensitive in the slow-moving city traffic, but out here on the open road, the handling is just exceptional. The ride is stiff, it's brilliant on the highways, but it might feel bumpy over rough patches. But that's a little compromise you can do for that thrilling drive. Let me put this in the go-kart mode. It's just super fun to drive. Personally, I'm a fan of minis and I love the handling in that go-kart feel. One drawback is that we are in Rajasthan, in Jaisalmer. There's a lot of sand, so when the roof is open, car will get dirty. You can take it out occasionally, but I'm ready to sacrifice this bit for the thrill I get when I drive this car. We have smooth roads in Jaisalmer and it is super fun to drive. One more thing I would like to mention is that since the soft top is open, I'm not getting a clear view in the IRVM, though I have a very good view from the side mirrors, so that is not a problem for me. But yeah, here maybe it can be fixed somehow. So here's my first impression. Is this a practical car for India? The answer is no. It's not a practical car for India in a traditional sense because it has a low ground clearance, limited space and stiff ride. But you're not buying this car for practicality. You're buying this for a feeling, an experience and a top-down statement. You are buying 204 horsepower thrill, an OLED tech flex and an undeniable style. This is the ultimate lifestyle car. This is the second or third car for the fun-loving luxury buyer. For more such reviews, head over to Car Le Lo Luxe and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.